everyone, this is Avinash. Today we'll see the how to read the parameters from HTML and pass to servlet. So that is nothing but reading the servlet parameter. So topic is reading the servlet parameters. We will pass the parameters from HTML page to the servlet program. So open the Eclipse, go to the file, click on file, new, dynamic web project, and I'll give the project name as a servlet parameter. So I'll give parameter. Then I click on next button. Next, generate the web XML. Click on finish. Servlet parameter project is created. Right click on servlet parameter project. Go to the new, add HTML file. First I have to create the HTML file. From HTML files I have to pass it to the servlet. So first I'll create the HTML file. So I'll give the name as an index. Click on next and finish. So we create the HTML file. You can see here. So I already written the code of HTML, that is form creation. I'll just copy that for time saving. So I created the form, method equal to get, and I created the one text box, that input type equal to text and name equal to name. Then input type equal to submit. I added the button and I given the name for that value login. Okay, so when I click on this button, it will call the page called welcome, and whatever I written in this text box, it will pass to the servlet program. So now I'll add the servlet. Right click, new, servlet. I'll give the name as demo serve. Click on next. So URL is demo serve. This is, you have to remember. So here I'm going to select a do get method. So I'll uncheck the do post method, because the HTML pass the parameter to the servlet using get method. So I'm selecting the get method. So click on finish. So here servlet is created. So this demo serve, I'll just copy and I'll go to the index. I'll type that servlet name. So demo serve. Now you can see here do get method. So how to read the parameter? Is whatever the by default code is there, I'll remove this. To read the parameter, you have to use the get parameter. So already I written the code. I'll just copy that. So request printer. I have to import the package for java.io. So click on that, import. What will happen now in this program? This is HTML. When I click on submit button, what you written in this text box that will be passed to the demo servlet using which method? Get methods. So when I come to the servlet, it will take that do get method, it will match this get method and HTML get method. If it matches, okay, some request is coming. What request? The HTTP request. So using this request object, we are reading the parameter. Then how to read the parameter? Already you know the set content type HTML, and if you want to print anything, I'm using a print writer and object is created PW. Now how to read the parameter? To read the parameter, I created the variable called name, or you can say, I'll say n1. So string n1, n1 is a string type. Now whatever the data is coming from the HTML, how to read? To read, I have to use a request object, that is request dot get the parameter. Then which parameter? Get the parameter, which parameter? I have to give the name of the text box here. Okay, suppose if I give t1 here, I'll make it as a t1. So can you see the what is the name of the text box here? The name of the text box is t1. Okay, now in the servlet you have to give the name of the text box. So whatever the in this t1 text box, what parameter is passing, it will read that. That is nothing but it will get the parameter that using request object, and it will store in the n1 variable. Now same that n1 variable I am printing here. So how to print? pw, the object of a print writer, dot println, that is nothing but I am printing with a message called welcome. Here my double, this is a message, and to print the value of that plus n1. So whatever the parameter is passed from the HTML, that will be get printed here, and I'm closing the print writer object here. Okay, now we'll execute this. I'll save all. I'll do save all. Then I'll right click on the servlet parameter, run as a run on server. Select that thing. Select the Tomcat server. Now I want to run servlet parameter. So select and click on finish. Okay, restart the server. You can see the HTML file is executing. Now whatever parameter you're typing here, now click on a login. You can see welcome people. You can see here the servlet name demo serve and the t1 equal to, that is name of the text box, equal to people tree are passing, and that here people tree is there. Okay, thank you.